The first one I want to give you is this question. Because one of the things that I mentioned previously was the purchasing power of something that the purchasing power decreases. If you look at this question number 2, it said, today you paid 340 Rand for 20 energy saver light bulbs. The inflation rate of these bulbs is 9% per year. How many of them will you be able to buy for 340 Rand in 1 year's time? I want to show you this because this is a question where we have to look at the purchasing power of our money. Just to give you then the example, if I say there were 340 Rand, I could buy 20 bulbs, right? And it said that the inflation, I'm just going to abbreviate quickly, is 9% per year. So now I first have to go and look at my price per bulb. So it's going to be 340 divide by 20, and you can take your calculator for that, and that gives you, it was 17 bulbs. So now I need the price of one bulb. Divide by 20, so it was 17 bulbs. No, sorry, 20 bulbs gives you 17 Rand. So now the inflation is 9%. So it's going to be 9%, or I'm going to add it already to the original price, 109% of the 17 Rand, because that is the price per bulb, and that is going to give you 18 Rand and 53 cents. Remember now, this is the new price. I'm going to write it here. The new price with the inflation. So I'm going to draw a big balloon around it so that you can see it is the inflated price. So now the question said, I still only have 340 Rand. Now it says, how many bulbs can I buy in a year's time? So I have to go and divide it in the new price with the inflation. So it's 340 divide by 18.53, and that is equals to, now be careful, 18 comma, if I round it, 3.5 bulbs. But tell me, can I go buy a half a bulb or a 0.35 bulb? No, because I only have that money. So I can't round it up to make it another bulb. In this case, I must round it down. So rounded, I'm only going to buy all 18 bulbs. Right, that is just to show you how the purchasing power decreases. If I have had 340 Rand, I could have bought 20 bulbs, but because of inflation that increased the price per bulb, I could now, for the same amount, with the new inflated price, I could only buy all 18 bulbs. I'm really sorry that we have run out of time. I just want to show you where the CPI was calculated. Just an example. There is a table where the CPI was already calculated for you, and then there's just questions that were asked. From those two, remember the formula. If I have two values, I can find the inflation rate. By substituting my values into my formula, I can find the inflation rate. Right. Unfortunately, we have come to the end. And all I can say is enjoy these last few weeks that you have left as a grade 12 learner. Remember, what you put in is what you are going to get out. So I really want you to work hard. And you know the secret with maths is practice, practice, practice. All the material you can find, do them, practice them, Go back to your teachers if you are not sure, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.